morning, everyone. I am Jisha Jagdevan, Assistant Professor of AIML Department, CSE Branch, SIT Bhopal. Today, I am going to explain on the topic of sorting algorithm in the data structure. Next. Now, this PPT contains algorithm sorting, types of sorting, external sorting, internal sorting, and sorting algorithm with their pseudocode and their analysis. So, first of all, what is algorithm? A well-defined computational process that is sequence of steps that takes some input and produces some output. And why we discussing this algorithm? To facilitate a design of software modules to analyzing the pseudocode of uh, best case and average case of the programming language. And what is pseudocode? A method of writing algorithms that is independent of programming language. Now our this algorithm contains of constant. What is a constant? That is a running time is independent to the number of data items. Here the number of the elements is inserted as it is running and the number of algorithms runs at a constant time. So this constant times has the efficiency of big of 1. Now coming to linear time algorithm. An algorithm that big of n when its running time is proportional to the size of the list. When the number of elements doubles, the number of operation doubles. Now here the size of an array is 5 here and it doubles the array. As the number of elements increases, it doubles by 2 of the length of the array. So first here iteration is 32, then iteration becomes 46, then 8, then 12, then 3. So here the maximum number of array we found, the maximum number of combination is what? How many times it will compare? It will compare 5 times. Okay. Now the efficient algorithms are mostly comes under sorting algorithm are quadratic algorithm, cubic algorithm and exponential algorithm. What is quadratic algorithm? That is relatively small values of n. When n doubles, so the number of running time is also increases by n times. Now we comes to cubic algorithm. That is the efficiency is generally poor, but doubling the size of n increases the running time of 8. Now these are the algorithm efficiency, that is when n of mode of big of n, then it comes to log of base 2 n, it becomes 1, and log of base 2 it becomes 2, n square becomes 4 and so on. This is an algorithmic time log in series where log of 2 becomes to 1 and log of 1024 that becomes to n. Okay. Now here when compared to the functions n and n square, the function of log n goes very slowly. First here it is n that comes in constant and this is exponential and this is logarithmic. Now this is a simple linear algorithm. To here we find a minimum element in an array. Okay, we have given an array and we have to find a minimum number from that array. So the array should always greater than equals to 1. That means suppose array of number of n is size of array is 5, then 5 should always greater than the 1. That means smallest element comes under a of 0 and goes up to n minus 1. Suppose if we have the size of n of equals to 5, then it will comes to n of 4. Means the array will iterate up to how many times? 4 times. Okay. So first, second, third, fourth and fifth time it returns it exit out the loop. Now what the sorting? Sorting means what? An arranging of elements of an array so that they are placed in some relevant order, which may be either ascending or descending. Here array is 4, 1, 6, 3, 7. So after sorting this array we got what? 1, 3, 6, 7 and 4. Okay. Now, if this A is an array, then the elements of array is arranged by the ascending order. The number of sorted key comparisons that will be performed, the number of lines that recurs in the list will be moved, the best case application and worst case performance will be find out, and the stability of algorithm, where stability means that the equivalent elements are